Hi, rKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this brand new Thor 4 Winds 27R. It's brand new, lots of features. It's one of my favorite floor plans. I think Thor threw a lot into this. Lots of storage. It's only 27 feet, but it's got a king bed, a sofa, a dinette, a big TV. It has all the features. Let's go inside and have a look. You got a power awning. You never have to hand crank it again. Outdoor TV for your tailgating or just partying outside on the passenger side here. This RV kind of has everything. It's got solar power already set up in this. Look at this. A nice 40-inch TV, flat screen. You got the cab over bunk here. Because this is a new motorhome, it's got the new the new Godzilla V8, which gets better gas mileage than the Triton V10. You've got your standard booth dinette that drops down into a bed. It's called the Dream Dinette. What's new is you got a wireless charger integrated into the table. Very nice. You also have storage underneath the seats. Nice floor, very easy to clean. It's anti-slip. And then you have a nice sofa, what they call a jackknife sofa with cup holders back here. Nice window space. You also have power hookups right here. Very cool. This jackknife sofa easily converts into a bed. Very easy. Plus you got storage. As we move into the galley, you've got a standard 3-burner stove with a gas oven and lots of storage for your pots and pans. LED lighting, microwave, storage up here, storage up on this side over here as well. Inside the galley, you got a wine rack, pull-out shelf, nice feature. Nice, big, deep stainless steel sink, plus storage underneath and an extension. Again, I don't think Thor, normally you see some of these things on motorhomes. Thor threw everything on this one, so it's really nice. Standard freezer, refrigerator. This is gas, electric, so if you're into boondocking, you can run this on the propane gas and for weeks on end, so very nice. Lots of storage on this 27R. Again, it's only 27 feet. It's very small for a motorhome, but it's got all the features. Lots of storage, very inventive. You got the pantry here, plus lots of storage up here. You have more storage here. It's very deep. And then your bathroom. I'll have you have a look. So this RV it's great for small families or couples. 27 feet, you got the sofa, the dinette, a large living room area, and then you also have this king bed. It's pretty amazing. Have a look at that. Also in the bedroom, you have a integrated 32-inch TV up against the wall there. So very nice. Again, this is a brand new Thor 4 Winds 27R. It's only a little over 27 feet. It has lots of space. I've never seen a motorhome with these many features that are standard. Plus you get the king bed. Again, my name's rKavanaugh. Come on out to BISH'S RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Come look for me, ask for me, give me a call. Whatever you need to do, I'd be happy to show you this motorhome or any other motorhome. Have a great day.